Welcome to AniShort. Today, we'll quickly walk you through how to use Seendance 2.0, hoping to spark some inspiration for your video creation. Right-click on the canvas and create a new video generation node. You'll see a row of icons on the left. Be sure to connect them according to the standard rules. For example, if you want to add reference audio, the cable must be connected to the audio port. If you connect them incorrectly, you won't get the desired result, so always double-check your connections before hitting render. In the first last frame mode, the image, audio, and video nodes will turn gray. To use them, remember to switch back to reference mode and reconnect everything. For regular users, generating videos with real-person images will be automatically blocked by the system. Enterprise users can resolve this through the filing registration process. All images used for video generation must be filed, even if it's the same face with a different clothing color or arranged in a 9-grid collage. Any minor change to the image requires a new filing. Seendance 2.0 offers 3 generation modes. Text mode: use this when you only have a vague idea and no images. Just type in your text and let the AI run free. First last frame mode: use this when you already have generated images and want to continue the story from them. You can upload just the first frame to let the story evolve, or upload both the first and last frames so the AI automatically fills in the transition. Comprehensive reference mode: use this when you need multimodal input combining images, video, audio, and text. By typing @material name, you can precisely direct the AI. Flexibly orchestrating these 3 core modes can meet most of your creative needs. Scenario 1. Continuing a story with first-last frames. Upload a single image and a prompt, and the AI will drive the subsequent plot. If you want to lock the ending, add a last frame, and the AI will precisely complete the transition. Scenario 2. Cinematic control of characters and camera movements. Upload your character's reference image, then tell the AI what you want that character to do. It will accurately lock onto the character's features and generate the scene. If you want to mimic a classic movie segment, upload your protagonist image, story scene images, and a reference video of the classic clip, along with text prompts, and you'll get a complex cinematic video. Scenario 3. Seamless conversion of comics, manga, and storyboards. To turn a comic into a dynamic video, just upload your comic image and add a style prompt. If you don't even have artistic assets, you can simply upload a storyboard script and let the AI design the visuals for you. You can also upload a 9-grid layout reference image, and the AI will combine the descriptions in your prompt with the content in each grid to create a single video. Scenario 4. E-commerce product display and basic motion effects. The simplest way is to upload a real product photo and a text description of the desired atmosphere, and the static product will come to life. If you have multi-rectangle product detail shots, upload them all to help the AI accurately reconstruct and perfectly showcase the product from every angle. For that smooth, premium product camera movement seen in big brand ads, upload your product images along with the ad reference video you want to emulate. The AI will replicate that sophisticated camera feel. Scenario 5. Video extension and custom voice synthesis. To extend a video, simply upload the original clip, add prompts or reference images, and specify the subsequent frames. The AI will seamlessly continue it. And it's not just visuals, you can also specify a voice. Upload any audio material you want to use, and the AI will generate a matching timbre. If you don't specify one, the large model will dub according to its own understanding.